Unsuccessful auto recloser, when the fault is persisting even after issuing the trip command, a circuit breaker fail scenario. To simulate this, we are creating a healthy state for 1 second, followed by a fault state in the R phase for 50 milliseconds. The next state, we call this as the dead time, but in the dead time we are still continuing the same fault. So another 50 milliseconds, the fault is persisting, and then the reclaim time, the faults are also persisting. So even after successful execution of the close command, or even after successful execution of the trip command from the relay, the fault is not cleared. Let me reset the relay and run this state. So it can be observed that the relay has tripped, auto recloser is locked out, 3-phase tripping, and all the zones have picked up since the breaker has not opened.